Hey, this is Nate coming to you live from Tameron Hyundai. Just wanted to reach out to you, introduce myself. First of all, again, my name is Nate. You can reach me at 205-287-2321. I'm going to introduce you to the beautiful Kona. It does have the Hyundai beautifully designed cascading waterfall grille, as well as the LED wraparound headlights, daytime running lights. We have premium alloy wheels on this vehicle, blind spot detection, as well as turn indicator in the mirror. And if you're coming inside, we're going to show you a couple of quick features. This vehicle does have the Yes Essentials cloth fabric seating, drive mode, heated seats, 7-inch touchscreen. We do have Android Apple CarPlay in this vehicle as well. But I'm going to tell you one of the beauty parts about Hyundai, which is America's best warranty. That warranty is 5 years, 60,000 miles of bumper-to-bumper protection, as well as a 10-year, 100,000-mile powertrain warranty. But here at Tameron, we're going to double that for you and make it 20 years or 200,000 miles, whichever comes first. Come see me. Again, my name is Nate, 205-287-2321, and you're going to love the way you treat it here at Tameron.